Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can make slow motion video in your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your camera, and then here it is the more section. You can see this. Just click on slow mo. You can see this, click on it and you have to make a video like this. I show you. I have make one. You can see this is the slow motion video. This is how you can make any of the slow motion video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.